Hi, this is Jackie and welcome to Montana. Tonight we're going to show you 3 desserts, all made in foil, just for you. First up is pineapple upside down cake, one of our family's favorites. Second is peach crisp, always delicious fruit in the prime of summer. And then last, the kids' favorite, campfire cones. So stay tuned and we'll show you all the desserts. Well, first up is pineapple upside down cake. In our house, everybody likes it. They request it for birthdays. Just go ahead and get these foil sheets. We find them at the Dollar Tree. Go ahead and check out one of my other videos. I have a couple Dollar Tree hauls that are great finds for $1. We're gonna go ahead and put down the foil, spray a little Pam on, and then we just grab these at the store. These pie shells are excellent. You can also use store-bought angel food cake, or if you have your own from another day, go ahead and use that. Go ahead and put it down on the foil, then go ahead and grab a pineapple slice and put that on top. Then we're just going to grab a little brown sugar and sprinkle that inside. Go ahead and crunch it all up. A little extra will do ya. Then we go ahead and put the cherry on top. This one's super easy and really delicious. Now we're going to go ahead and flip it over real fast and put that on. Then we're just going to grab a little butter and smear it on top of your shell. And a little on the bottom just so it doesn't stick again. And we'll go ahead and fold that up. And that's our first one, really easy. Then you just want to cook it in your fire till it's warm through. And you want to keep it so that the bottom where the pineapple is down there, as well as the brown sugar, that'll be a nice add. And then on to our second one. And this is our second recipe on foil desserts. We're going to do a peach crisp. Delicious, easy. You just start out with a fresh peach, grab it at the store, any kind that's in season, any kinds they have at the store. We like any of them. I don't even bother peeling them. Just go ahead. This one's a white one, very sweet and delicious this time of year. Go ahead and chop this up. You want to do it pretty small so that it cooks through while it's on the campfire. All my desserts here are pretty easy, and the recipes will be linked below. What's your guys' favorite dessert? In the comments below, tell me what your favorite dessert is. Any recipes you'd like us to try and show you how we do it. Everybody has their own spin. It's really easy to get in a rut where you just, I love baked apples. I ate those all year round. Now I'm into peaches. So today we're gonna do this peach one. And this peach smells so delicious. I just eat it plain as well. It's so good. Just go ahead and take the pit out and set it aside. This is a great one. If your kids like different ones, this crisp you can make with any of them. Go ahead and slice it up, chop it up. It's a little windy out here today, but still a great day for having a fire and being out in the woods. What's your favorite camping treat? For me, I'm easy. I could just eat marshmallows, just plain, nothing else. But I know other people that like all these fruits. It just depends on what you like, or the time of year, whatever's in season. And for this, we're gonna use these foil sheets. And again, I just find them at the Dollar Tree. They're really handy. We'll go ahead and we'll start making this foil packet. Go ahead and spray your Pam. And we're gonna go ahead and you wanna put some quick oats on. We'll just use about 1/4 cup. We'll go ahead and spread those on the bottom. Then we want to put some butter in, about 1 tablespoon or so. We'll go ahead and do that. And then you want a little bit of brown sugar on there. Want it nice and sweet. Our fruit's sweet, but that oatmeal tastes good with the brown sugar on it. Then we'll go ahead and put some peach on. However much you like. We're going to make a big one this time. And we're gonna do some pecans. Any nut you like, if you like walnuts. And we're also gonna grab some more cinnamon and sugar. I like cinnamon on all my fruits, especially when we have Chrisp or oats. Oats and cinnamon go well together. Now I'm just gonna put a little more butter on top, just to make it taste really good. And that's it for our peach crisp. We're gonna go ahead and wrap it up tightly. You wanna make sure it's good and tight before you put it in the fire. And we'll actually wrap it twice so that it doesn't come out when you throw it in the fire. And you wanna make sure and have some good tongs because those fire coals will be really hot and you wanna make sure you're able to get your stuff out. And as you're cooking, you wanna make sure and flip it every now and again so you make sure that you have a good, nice, even cooking of that yummy crisp. So, on to the last one, campfire cones. And today we're gonna do a special one. We're gonna do mint. Use what you like. Today we're gonna do mint because we have mint Oreos as well as Andes mints. These are always a family favorite at our house. You wanna go ahead and fill your cone up with some marshmallows. Fill it up with that. Then we'll just crack in a few pieces of the candy in there. Shove it down in the cone. We'll grab some of these thin mint Oreos, one of my favorites. Just wanna crunch it up in there. Shake it around. Maybe even dump it out and kind of rearrange. It's however you like. You can even, anything you have. If you have some strawberries left over from your shortcake, or if you have some bananas, you like chocolate and bananas, go ahead and throw all those in. We're gonna go ahead and put some chocolate chips on top. And I find these containers at the Dollar Tree a really great find, 3 for $1. You can put all your mix-ins for your campfire cones in them. This is one of the kids' favorites. And you want to pack it down as good as you can. And then stick it in your foil. Very easy. Use what you have. Any fruit, or if you just want all regular old marshmallows in that cone, go ahead. Do your thing. These are delicious. Go ahead and do it tight. Make sure it's all sealed up. And now for the fire time. We'll see you back here in a minute with our cooked foil desserts. Alrighty, now that we have our 3 desserts already out of the fire, here's our peach cobbler, or peach crisp. It's gonna be really delicious. You always have, if you have a camper, if you have some Cool Whip or some ice cream, it would be really delicious. Really yummy, nice and cinnamony. It's really yummy in there. It's gonna be a yummy dessert. Now this one's my favorite, pineapple upside down cake. I love them for my birthday or any holiday. This one turned out perfectly. Cherry on top and everything. Delicious. Now my grandson's favorite dessert is this one, the campfire cone. Now let's take a peek and see how it turned out. A little brown along the edges, but we're all good with that. Nice melted chocolate. A little minty with those cookies in there. A family favorite. Thanks for stopping by the Montana Style. Thanks for stopping by the Montana Style. We'll see you next time. Camping and eating desserts. Yum.